Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have Jaguar XJ type XK8, and if you notice here we have the VCI Jaguar Land Rover VCI connected to it. This is 2000 and from 96 I believe to 2000 they're the same software. We have an OBD2 connector here. We have a fuse here. We have security code, but the customer brought this car here with the engine computer. He said he need to program the engine computer, but when we try to communicate with the car, I say, you know what? Let me just try to do a quick diagnostic. I was not communicating with. I see the security light is on. And when I ran the test, I realized that we are not able to communicate with the vehicle security control module. So the issue looked like totally a different issue. After run the test, I used the dealer tools, and when the good news about vehicle SDD, system driven diagnostic, or Land Rover Jaguar software, it take me right away to IDS, which was very, very beautiful, and I was able to communicate and diagnose this car, and it's come out saying that there is no communication with the vehicle security module. I stopped there, and the vehicle security module, it have a battery feed fuse, and that fuse I believe is number 6 in this area here, 5 amps. So either could be this one here or this one, but when I check all the fuses are okay. So I'm gonna open this one down. I will locate the vehicle security box because I'm not able to talk to it. Then we take it from there. I don't want to go and change the computer. The computer I believe is located somewhere here. That's the computer. Let me see now. That's the computer. This is the old one. This one here, it's say for 2000, but it's XJ8, and the other one is XK8. I'm not sure if they are the same computer or not. That you will be telling us by looking at the original number, which is in this area here. You see, this is area, and it's ending with LNF 1410BC. Okay. See, LNF 1410BC. Some fuses are here too. I see another computer here. Maybe this is transmission computer, transmission controller. Yes, good. So I will after I finish with this car and I start it up, I will give you a couple of more information about it, how it works, component location. You see, this is a sign for it. It's beautiful. Okay, so now if you notice here, LNF 1410BC, which is okay. It look like the same number, but I have no problem with the security, with the engine computer issue. I'm communicating good with it. The only problem I have is I'm not able to communicate with the security module. So I have to deal with that first, and then we take it from there. Okay. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is part 1, and I will give you more information soon in part 2 or part 3. Please subscribe, share, and like